What's up, Goldie Squad? It's GoldieBlox. I'm low-key nervous, but I'm super excited to show you the very first episode of our brand new show, the GoldieSquad Show. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out. I don't know, sound off below, let me know, because this show is for you guys, the squad. This show has guests, games, goose, and a super smart, super cute kitten. Let's do this. What's up, guys? It's GoldieBlox, and welcome to my new show. It's the Goldie Squad Show. It's a talk show where I take your burning questions and I get someone from the Goldie Squad to answer them. And every week, we pick a new theme. And this week's theme is slime. Obviously, I can't do a talk show alone, so I have a guest. She built one of the most iconic robots in Robot Runway history. It is so dope. Welcome, Paula. Whoa. Whoa. Hi. Hi. Thank you so much for being on the first episode of the GoldieSquad Show.
My pleasure.
Tell us about yourself.
I love to dance and swim and basically do everything that has to do with art.
So slime. This is perfect for today. So it's a talk show, right? We're gonna be answering every question known to man. YouTube comments, there's just billions. Just infinite from the Goldie universe. Just like, what's your first question like today?
Today, probably what I wanted for breakfast.
Ooh. So there's a lot of questions in the universe, but the most dire question is, what do you think of my new space?
I love it. It's so like creative and it gives me those Tumblr vibes.
Right, okay, I literally love it. And it's super interactive. I don't know quite how everything's gonna happen, but you know what? We're gonna like do it together and we're gonna answer questions. So, let's get into our first one. We're using the force. With all me. Okay, our first question. Okay. How do you make cloud slime?
I make my regular slime, then I get the instant snow and add water, obviously. And then I just kind of like drizzle the slime and then start kneading it up.
Yes, we got cloud slime in. Ooh. So good. I'm gonna take some of this. Okay. Don't mind if I do. Okay, there we go. I left some for you so you can play with it.
Great.
Test out my batch.
Oh wow, it's super smooth. What's your favorite type of slime?
I gotta say crunchy slime.
Ooh,
The ASMR you get from that slime is unlike no other.
Pardon the interruption. ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. Also, I love making biscuits and cloud slime. Catch you later.
I love cloud slime. Texture is fun. Like, it's fun and fresh. It's nothing like crunchy slime. It's just like that sound you get. It's just like so good. I can't recreate it. It's just too good.
I would say my favorite slime is probably fluffy slime. I know everybody loves it, but it's just like so smooth. And
Fluffy slime makes a really funny noise, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I want to hear your impression.
Okay.
Like, it kind of sounds like a and then it's also like you know what I mean? Like, it's just like a yeah, it's like a little like Kit Kat bar commercial, and you're like you just can't do it.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I mean? Like you just can't do it.
Like
you know what I mean? So good.
Yeah.
I can't recreate it.
The next question.
Do you have any slime that looks exactly like throw up? If you don't, you should make some and try to prank people with it.
I've definitely made slime that looks like throw up, unintentionally.
No biggie, it's just a ghost, you know. Vomit!
Oh, hi. Hi.
It smells amazing, but it's disgusting to look at.
It looks like tuna. I don't know if I like the texture of this.
Right?
slime.
It's like super confusing. Like, you don't know if you like it or if you don't. It's cereal in there, so it smells amazing. Makes you question yourself a little bit. Yeah.
Definitely.
It's so gross.
Yeah, that's. Oh. It
Things
looks.
jumping out of it.
It looks like. It looks like peanuts.
It's like a living slime.
That needs to stop. Okay, and that concludes the Q&A portion of today's video. Now it's the moment you've all been waiting for.
Drum roll, please.
The Spin Twin Telepathy Slime Challenge. Yes, well that's enough. Girl, I know. Okay, we are so extra on the GoldieBlox channel. Okay, but it actually took me so long to figure out what to do for the slime challenge today. Underwater slime challenge. Too wet. Rabbits picking our ingredient slime challenge. No, you gotta pick carrots every time. Goldie, think. Okay, this is a new show. The slime challenge has to be amazing for the Goldie Squad. We can all get down. Let's do this. Here we go. Diamond slime challenge. Too expensive. Super slime challenge. That's too soupy. Dinosaur slime challenge. Okay, I do not have the money or the technology to bioengineer a dinosaur. Cat versus dog slime challenge. Super weirdo. No. Slime challenge. So spreading slime challenge. No. No. Slime. Help me. Where am I?
Your location is not important. What is important is choosing a new slime challenge for your show.
Okay, yeah. There's too much pressure. I can't decide.
Worry not, weary happy. The universe has already selected your challenge. You and your guest will try the twin telepathy challenge.
Twin telepathy? Every YouTuber has done that.
Oh my gosh, why do you have to be so extra? Fun. Did those YouTubers use a spinning wheel?
Oh my gosh, I have such a great idea. A spinning wheel. Goldie, you've done it again. How do I get out of here?
Hey, are you okay? What? Yeah, you kind of spaced out for like 2 to 3 minutes. I'm fine.
Oh, let's make some slime.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Have you seen the twin telepathy slime challenges?
Oh yeah, it's all over the internet.
So basically what the twin telepathy slime challenge is, I have to telepathically infer what they put into their slime. But today, we put a little twist on it. We put the spinning wheel, so it's not her mind. It's the spinning mind. So it goes from the wheel to her mind into her slime to my mind into my slime.
Yeah.
It's a whole slime thing.
Diaper.
I mean, I guess we kind of need the scissors anyways to cut them open. I only brought one pair, so it works out. So we're just gonna cut right underneath the elastic. I've done this in a hack before. Kind of a pro. So you just basically shimmy out the little crystals. It's a fun process. I mean, it's kind of good that like we started with this, so it gets me like telepathically connected to you.
Oh yeah. Is it kind of like instant snow?
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Babies, you know, they pee, so it absorbs the liquid. So it keeps them dry.
Okay, I am ready to spin again, and this time I won't say what I got.
Good idea.
Ooh, this should be interesting.
Okay, trying to guess. Are you sending me the vibes?
I don't know.
Make it louder. What? That's such a confusing noise. Okay, I'm guessing it's a mustard packet.
How'd you know?
Wait, are you being serious?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
We're literal twins. Ugh. Do not watch this.
No.
It's not fun.
Oh, this is awful. That's gonna be a beautiful color. Oh,
okay, we're just gonna have to mix it in. Oh no. Okay, just gonna. Great.
Okay. What?
This should be familiar. Alright, I'll give you a hint. They go perfectly on a hot dog.
Oh!
Oh, okay. Not too bad.
Make a noise. Okay, it sounds a little squishy. Maybe. Honey? Honey? Okay, you know what? Going with honey. She's brand new, so we're just gonna. There we go.
Oh my.
Ah! This is like the worst looking meal ever.
I think we're ready to do the last ingredient.
Oh, salt.
Oh no.
I have ketchup, mustard, and something else on my hands. Oh, she hit it. It smells minty. I'm gonna guess toothpaste. We're going toothpaste.
All right.
Okay, that's good. Definitely don't put that much on your teeth. This is awful. Ew, this is like a Thanksgiving feast yak. This is not beautiful for me. Okay, how's yours doing? Is it gross?
Not as much as yours, I would say. You guessed a little too far.
So you're saying we're not twins?
Not there yet.
So I did this for nothing? Ew. Ugh. This is the worst feeling thing in my entire life. And it looks so gross. Like, I don't want that on my hands right now. This literally looks more like throw up than my throw up slime. Okay, let's actually wrap this up before I vomit. 1, 2, 3.
Ta-da!
What did you use?
I got glitter instead of honey and petroleum jelly instead of toothpaste.
That's so much better. What happened to mine?
That does look like that throw up. My hands look like a spider web.
Let's get this out of my way before I throw up.
Yay!
This is disgusting. Turned out great though. You know, I feel like we're connected twins now.
Slimy 5?
Yeah.
Woo!
Thank you guys for tuning in to the first episode of the Goldie Squad show. And thank you so much for being here.
No problem, my pleasure. Woo!
And if you want to be part of the Goldie Squad, just hit subscribe and the notification bell. That's it.
It's that easy.
Yeah, slime 5. That's awful. Take it, take it, take it. Oh, no. Bye!
Well, what do you guys think of our new show? Comment down below with questions, theme ideas, and suggestions for guests. Also, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you see if your ideas make it on the next episode. Okay, bye guys!